Modal Verbs Quiz. This test consists of 30 questions that test your knowledge of modal verbs that cover a range of modal verbs such as can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, and would. Put your understanding of these important verbs to the test and see how well you know when and how to use them correctly. Let's begin the test. Emily is behaving in a very unusual way. I think she might be drinking again. If Mary said that, it must be true. She never lies. Sorry, but I'm not Jimmy. You must be confusing me for someone else. I'm not sure I trust James. He might not be the person we think he is. You have walked for 8 hours. You must be exhausted. She can't be his daughter, they look completely different. He can't be very proud of you right now. You disappointed him. The phone is ringing. It must be Martha. She said she would call this morning. He can't be in love with her. He told me he hated her. I could swim when I was younger. May I borrow your computer? Will you help me to finish my task? Would you like some tea? If I had more time, I would go on vacation. Shall we go for a walk? You shall buy some groceries on your way home. Should I bring a gift to the party? Martin, you must complete this project by tomorrow. You ought to apologize to Catherine for your bad behavior. Could you please lend me your car? May I have a piece of cake? It may snow tomorrow. Will Smith attend the party? You shall call me after the conference to discuss the plans. He might be at the gym right now. Sometimes he goes there at this time. This is not possible. You can't be serious. You should pick up the phone. It might be an important call. She must know the answer. She's the best in the class. Emma ought to be more careful next time. You could run faster when you were younger. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.